Satisfaction isn't having everything, it's being at peace with what you have while working for what you want. In a world that never stops talking, your greatest power is the ability to sit in silence and still feel whole. Don't let the noise of the world drown out the small, quiet victory of simply being okay today. Success without soul satisfaction is just a well decorated prison. Build a life you actually enjoy living. Your hustle should never cost you your heading. Slow down enough to see how far you have already come. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is breathe and remind yourself that you are enough. Peace of mind starts the moment you stop letting other people's expectations drive your vehicle. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about finding a quiet corner in your heart where it's always sunny. Deep meaning is found in simple moments: a warm tea, a kind word, and a heart free of resentment. The world measures you by your output, your soul measures you by your peace. Choose the soul metric. Satisfaction is the end of comparison. When you look at your own path, the road becomes much smoother. A busy life is a choice, but a satisfied heart is a practice. Practice gratitude until it becomes your reality. हम यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी अच्छी प्रोडक्ट ला रहे हैं जिसका मकसद एक इंसान को उसके ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ाने में मदद करना है। लिहाजा हमें फॉलो करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।